Lesson 97 is on ratios. Does anybody know what a ratio is? Yes.
Is it sort of like what's it called? Hold on, come back to me.
Okay, anybody? Does anybody, maybe this will help you understand it. What is the ratio of boys to girls in this room? You think you know?
2 to 2.
2 to 2. Well, unless you count me,
Oh,
and then it becomes 3 to 2. Right. Okay. Yes.
Is it sort of like
Radio.
Radio.
Ratio?
Ratio. No, not radio. Ratio. Okay, here's the way they say it. A ratio is a way of describing a relationship between two numbers. That's what they say it is.
Relationship.
I know, right? So what a ratio is, it can be written 3 ways, and you're going to learn about one of them today. So for here, if I was doing the ratio of girls to boys, then my ratio would look like this. 3 to 2.
I don't think
Okay?
I know it.
Some people write it like this. 3 to 2 like that. And then even some people will say 3 to 2.
I like
that.
the middle way the best.
Yeah. Yep. As you get older and you move into probably 7th grade-ish, you're going to really focus on just doing it this way.
Oh, I thought you said older. I'm like
Older. Older, no, older, not older. Okay.
Musk.
Yeah. So you're gonna have to learn to start writing them like this.
That's probably how.
Now
Why
here's
can't we write them the middle way?
because this is how they're wanting you to learn it on this one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So listen here. Okay. If I have 3 over 2 and that's my ratio, would I change it into a mixed number?
No. Yes, you would.
Yes, you would.
What do you think? How many say yes?
Yes. Yes.
No.
Yes. Yes. Not
Wait,
sure.
no. I don't
No?
know. Yes.
I say you
No.
would because
You
it's
would.
not
Oh, yes, you would. Yes, you would.
Yes, you
It's
would.
an improper number or fraction,
Oh.
but no, you would not.
Yes.
I was
But there's
right.
3 over 2.
I know it's an improper number, but because it's a ratio,
It's not a fraction.
it's not really considered a fraction.
Yeah,
Even though it is a fraction, because you're writing it like that, you need to try to see it as a ratio.
Ratio.
Now, watch this.
So you don't reduce either?
That's what I was fixing to say. If I had 9/6, can I reduce?
Yes.
No.
Oh, yes,
Yes.
you can.
Yes. You
No, you can.
can. Let's see this. Let's say I had, look right here. 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pencils. And let's say I had, let's do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? 9 scissors. Hopefully I did 9. Okay, so here's what I want you to see. Oops, there's 10 because I already had one on here. Okay, so look at this. If I have 6 pencils, and how many scissors did I say I have? 9. Okay, now, when I reduce it, would it be fair to say that I have, watch this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 9.
Oh, but then it's an improper fraction when you reduce.
Do what now?
It's an improper fraction when you reduce because it reduces to that thing.
Right.
3 to 2.
You can still reduce, okay? I'm not
Yeah.
going to show that. I'm not going to worry about this, okay? So, because you won't be able to see it on the camera. Okay, so does everybody see that I can take 9/6 and reduce it to 3 halves? Okay, by dividing it into what? By what?
3.
Threes, okay? Very good. So you can, yes, you may want to write this down or start. Yes, you can reduce. No, you cannot make into a mixed number.
No.
So what, now do you have to make the 3 over 2 proper?
No, that's what I'm saying. No,
Oh.
this is just you see it just as it is, and you can reduce it, but you're not going to be able to
Okay.
make it into a mixed number. Okay. So I was trying to take these pencils, and as you see, I can group them into 2, 2, and 2. You see that?
Yeah.
Which makes 6. And I can take this 9 of these scissors and group them 3, 3, and 3.
Yes, yeah.
And you see how that reduces? There can still be that group
Yeah.
of this. You see? Anyway, you can't really see it on the board, so we won't worry about it. Okay. So does everybody understand ratio and how it works?
No. Yeah.
Yes? Okay, so listen to this one and help me determine what this ratio
Wait,
is.
I have a question.
Yes.
How do you so like on this one it says there were 20 prairie dogs and 30 jackrabbits in Henry's backyard. What was the ratio of the jackrabbits?
That's what I'm fixing to show
Prairie
you.
dog- But do you write so the first number you write
That's
the
what I'm
top?
fixing to tell you.
Oh.
Okay, you're getting ahead of me. All right, so here's what it says. If there are 12 dogs and 18 cats in a kennel, then the ratio of dogs to cats in a kennel is 12 to 18. So here's what it told us, is that there were 12 dogs and 18 cats. Now, the most important thing that you can listen to or hear in this thing is it'll say, what is the ratio of dogs to cats?
Oh.
Did you hear that? Dogs to cats. And when you hear that, whatever they say first is the one that you're going to put on top.
This says to jackrabbits to prairie dogs, but up here it says prairie dogs and jackrabbits. Like
Right.
How many? So
Okay, so look right here. I said dogs to cats. So you put whatever's mentioned first, you're going to put on top. 12 to 18. Does everybody understand what I mean by that? Okay, so if it would have said cats to dogs, what would I have done? What?
18 over
18 over 12. Does everybody understand that rule and how that works?
Yes.
Yes.
Question.
Ask.
When it says there were 20 prairie dogs and 30 jackrabbits in your backyard.
In this one, I was looking
I know,
at
but
something
then
else.
the second question, that's what you're like. In the second question, it says what was the ratio of jackrabbits to prairie dogs.
Are you supposed to
reduce it?
Yes.
I know.
Is
but,
that how
in
you do
the
it? Once you
And then you
reduce
reduce it.
The,
And then you're done?
Yep.
like
So does everybody feel like they understand?
Yes, I do.
All right, let's do one more. Help me with this one. Listen. There were 12 oranges. I'm going to put 12 O's. And 16 apples. 16 A's. In the basket. What is the ratio of apples to oranges? Apple to orange.
Can I do it?
Yes.
It would be 16 over 12.
Very good. 16 over 12. Why did I not do 12 over 16?
Because the
Because
apples were first.
Very good. Okay. Can I reduce?
No.
Yes. No,
Yes.
yes, you can.
Yes.
What number will go into both 16 and 4 will? Divided by 4, divided by 4, and I would end up getting 4/3. And do I make it into a
No.
mixed number?
No.
Nope, because it's ratio. Very good.
The lesson practice is very easy.